The difference between the back and the front side of the dress is on the neckline and the armhole. So as you can see on the armhole, we have two curves. The one that is deep in is for the front armhole because the front armhole is a bit inwards. Then the one that is, so I'm just going to label it as the front. And the one that is on the outside is the back armhole. So when cutting, you need to start with the back side first, then cut the front. So this is the back armhole and that is the front. So I'm going to move on to the neckline. So this is the front neckline for this pattern, and then the back neckline from the shoulder line I'm going to go down by 1 inch, then connect from my neck width. So that is my back neckline. So this is the back side of the dress, and if you want to watch the front side of the dress, check the video in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, guys. Bye.